Hello everyone. In our last video we saw how to write our first program in Python and what is syntax, how to solve syntax errors, what is indentation, how to solve indentation error, etc. In this video we will see block coding versus Python coding. For this basic blocks, move forward, move backward, turn left, turn right and stop. We will use these blocks and check what is the equal Python code for these blocks. How Python internally is changed while we dragging and dropping these blocks. We will see this using an example. We will take an example of making a square. How we will make a square using this part? First we will drag and drop the my program block, right? So we will open the code section so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now as you can see, this is main function. Whatever code you drag and drop will come inside this main function only. This is how it is built. So whenever you drag and drop the blocks, this main function will be changed. So now I am dragging and dropping move forward block, because for making a square first we should move forward, right? So now see how this function is getting changed. So once you drag and drop the block, you can see move forward function has been called. So in this block coding, all these blocks are inbuilt function that is already built in Python. So whenever you drag and drop the block, this corresponding function will be called internally in Python itself. So this move forward is a function, move backward is a function, turn left is a function, turn right is a function and stop is a function. So all blocks will be separate functions. Whenever you drag and drop that block, that corresponding function will be called in Python. So that is how it works. So now if you drag and drop turn right, because we must move forward and then turn right for making a square. So while dragging and dropping turn right, you can see turn right function has been called. Now what will happen if you put turn right outside the block? Now as you can see, this turn right is in not same line as this move forward. This is where the indentation error occurs and this code will not run properly in Python. So for running properly in Python, we should put both these blocks in same line, right? So we must put inside this block. So now we got in same line. So now indentation is correct. Then what you will do? Again move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, again move forward and finally stop. So now as you can see, you got an square path. So this is the equivalent Python code for making that square path. So how this code, how these functions are made internally will be like this. This is how this function will be already built inside Python itself. Only this move forward will be visible for you in Python code, but inside that many functions will be running on. That and all, it's too advanced for now. We will see those things in later video. For now, you just understand something like all blocks are already inbuilt function. If you drag and drop the block, that function will be called and indentation will also be there. So we must take care about proper indentation. So this is the equivalent Python code for the square path we have achieved correctly. So what are things we learned today? We have saw what is the equivalent codes for these move forward, move backward, turn left, turn right and stop in Python, how it will work internally in Python, and then how to make these programs in Python with these basic blocks. So that's it for today. Thank you.